The controversial flyers that have popped up around campus was a hot topic of discussion at the Dream Week Unity Talkback held last Wednesday night. Students and faculty gathered to discuss why these flyers have appeared on campus, what the goal behind them may be, and what other racial and social injustices have been witnessed on campus.
There's been a number of universities, especially rural, predominantly white universities, that have been targeted with these types of flyers by certain organizations. Some so that they can actively recruit, others so that they can intimidate, right? And so we're not unique. There isn't something particularly or specifically wrong with MSU, but it is something to be aware of. And how can something like that sort of happen on our campus, right?
The talkback was organized by the Office of Equity, Inclusion, and Multicultural Affairs as part of Dream Week, honoring Dr. Martin Luther King and the work he did to bring respect, civility, and diversity to the world. Some discussed their reaction to the flyers found on campus.
What I thought about it as an individual was, obviously disgusting. I was a little taken aback and shocked that they were out here. Like a lot of other people, naively surprised that in this day and age we still see this, but then reflecting upon it, especially what's happening nationally, I don't guess I was that surprised.
While others talked about moments where they witnessed something happening and said something against it.
I think it was the Pride group dancing during homecoming week. Nobody laughed or cackled or mocked them as much as the people sitting in front of me did, and I had to take it upon myself to say, like, hey, shut up and watch or leave, because we're not here to make fun of people who came out here to just be who they are.
Even though Dream Week is over, many hope the message of diversity and inclusion carries on. For Mustang News, I'm Brittany Hill.